let me say this clearly. If you're using ChatGPT just to ask it random questions or treat it just like Google, you're leaving an insane amount of productivity on the table. I'm going to show you how ChatGPT hacks will save you hours every single week. And once you start using them, it honestly feels illegal how productive you become. Most people are using ChatGPT like a toy. I mean, from therapy sessions to giving advice on legal documents. But power users are using it like an employee, strategist, and their second brain. Make sure you stay to the end because the last hack is the one that completely changed the game for me. I'm Stephanie McAfee, owner and CEO of the Notary Resource Room, and I've helped people just like you scale and grow their businesses. If you're tired of struggling and tired of trying to figure out how to reach the next level, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on proven tips, strategies, and educational content designed to help you succeed. Now, before we just jump into the hacks, we need to fix something first. Most people just jump into ChatGPT and say things like, write me an email, help me be productive, give me ideas. Then they're just disappointed with the output. But here's the truth. ChatGPT, it doesn't fail. Vague prompts fail. This tool is only as powerful as you communicate with it. Once you understand how to talk to ChatGPT, everything changes. Let's get into it. This is one of the most important hacks. Stop asking ChatGPT questions without telling it who it is. Always start with a role. You're gonna say, act as, insert the job role, with 10 years of experience. Act as a productivity coach. Act as a business strategist. Act as a YouTube growth expert. Act as a student tutor. Why does this matter? Because when you assign ChatGPT a specific role, it changes the tone, the depth, and the strategy. You're no longer talking to a chatbot. Now you're talking to a specialist. Here's a rule to remember. Role first, question second. Most people overwhelm themselves. They say, help me do everything at once. That's a mistake. Instead, you're gonna simply say, break this down into simple step-by-step actions. Ask me clarifying questions before we continue. This does two powerful things. It slows ChatGPT down and it forces logic and structure. This is perfect for studying, learning new skills, business planning, and content creation. And you'll stop feeling overwhelmed because you're not trying to solve everything all at once. Clarity equals productivity. Make sure that you're using ChatGPT to think, not just do. And this is just simply a mindset shift. Most people are asking ChatGPT to do tasks. High performers are asking ChatGPT to think. Here's an example for you. What would a successful person consider before making this decision? Or what are the risks or the blind spots that I may be missing? This turns ChatGPT into a thinking partner. It helps you to make better decisions, avoid emotional mistakes, and to see angles that you particularly did consider. This alone can save you months of trial and error. Now let's take it a little bit deeper. When you're stuck between options, just say, compare option A and option B based on long-term impact, effort, and risk. Or what would you recommend if the goal was long-term success, not short comfort? This is powerful because it removes that emotion, it forces logic, it speeds up decisions. Indecision kills productivity more than laziness. And this hack fixes that. This next hack saves you a ridiculous amount of time. Anytime you write emails, scripts, captions, or essays, paste it into ChatGPT and say, rewrite this to be clearer, more confident, and more persuasive without sounding robotic. Or rewrite this in a professional but human tone. This instantly improves clarity, it improves confidence, and it saves you a ton of time editing. And you still sound like you, just sharper. Now, this next hack is where productivity explodes. Instead of asking, what should I do? Ask it to create a simple system I can repeat every week. Systems eliminate decision fatigue, and you can can use this for studying, content creation, business operations, and time management. When your brain isn't deciding what to do, it has energy to actually do it. And this is how high performers work. Now, here's what productive people do. They dump everything into ChatGPT. I'm talking notes, ideas, messy thoughts. Then they say, organize this into clear ideas and action steps. This instantly gives you structure, clarity, and focus. You can stop holding everything in your head because mental clarity equals higher productivity. Most people are so used to avoiding feedback, and that's why they grow slowly. Now, it's nothing wrong with growing slowly if you are okay with your productivity being cut down or earning income slowly. But if you want to work smarter and not harder, then you need to be using ChatGPT. This is what you can say to ChatGPT for feedback. Critique this honestly and tell me how to improve it. This works for writing, business ideas, study plan, and content. Feedback compresses time, and instead of guessing, you improve immediately. Now, let's be clear. ChatGPT won't replace your thinking, but it does help remove friction. It saves time, it removes overwhelm, it helps you focus on what actually matters. The people winning with AI, they aren't smarter, they're just using it better. If this video helped you even a little bit, I need you to do 3 things. I need you to like the video, subscribe, and share this with someone that's doing everything the hard way. Comment down below hacks if you want my free ChatGPT productivity prompt list. I'll drop it for you. Once you start using ChatGPT like this, there's no going back. And don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you never miss a video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.